So my name's Shane from Rapid Medical Supplies, and this is the Care Visionaire 5 oxygen concentrator. It's a 5-litre continuous flow device that can be run 24 hours, morning and night, and deliver up to 5 litres per minute, or as prescribed by your healthcare professional. They're one of the most reliable oxygen machines on the market. They also have up to 3-year warranty on their device, which is one of the best in the industry. A lot of them only come with 12 months. So it's a long 3-year warranty. So it comes in a beautifully protected shipping box. It's very well protected for shipping. And you'll see with plastic around it, protecting the machine while it's in transit. One of my favorite things about the Care Visionaire 5 is its ease of maintenance. Now, everyone gets freaked out when they learn about oxygen machines. If you haven't used one before, there's a little bit of maintenance involved. If you've used them before, you know what I'm talking about. So the maintenance is very, very easy. You've got a couple of filters that need cleaning every couple of weeks, every few months or so, depending on usage. And you only need to change them every few months, or as directed in the manual. But it's very, very easy to do. The sieves only need to be replaced after a few years, depending on usage again. So just follow the directions in the manual. It's very, very easy to maintain these products. They don't need regular servicing all the time. You can do it yourself, but it's good to just check the manual, the manufacturer's manual, follow the directions of that, but it's very, very easy. So if you're worried about the maintenance, don't worry too much. These are very, very easy to maintain. Another thing that's very easy with these machines is how to set them up and how to use them. So when you get the machine, you'll plug it in and you'll turn it on here. You'll plug your device in there, whether it's a cannula or a face mask, and you'll set the flow setting here with the flow meter. That will only show when the machine's running. So that flow meter there, you'll set that to 2 litres per minute. If you've got 2 litres per minute, you'll set it to 3 if you've got 3 litres per minute. So it's very, very easy, follow your nose setup. It's not complicated. You don't need to be a doctor to use these devices. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. They're for everyone, and they're very, very easy to use. So get it, take it out of the box, plug it in, set it to the right settings, and you're ready to go. So another great thing about these machines is the noise. They are so quiet. And if you've heard a noisy oxygen concentrator before, it's terrible, especially if you're trying to sleep with it. It is horrible. So the beautiful part about these is they're really nice and quiet. You wouldn't even know it's in the background while you're sleeping. It's like a little bit of white noise that actually helps you sleep. So it's beautiful, nice and quiet, perfect for sleeping next to, or if you're just running around the house while you're using the machine, you'll hardly notice it. Just put the TV on a little bit, you won't even hear it. So it's only 45 decibels, this machine, so it is so quiet. The other great thing about these machines is they're lightweight and compact. As you can see, it's not a huge machine. I've seen some 5-litre oxygen machines this big. They're massive, they're big, they're bulky, they're heavy, they're impossible to move around and be portable with. So these are nice and compact, fantastic, but they still pack a punch. They're very, very strong, these machines. They've just put a lot of engineering into making it nice and compact and lightweight. So you'll hardly notice the weight compared to some of the big bulky oxygen machines in the market. These are fantastic for lightweight and portability. Another great thing about these machines at the moment is they're very, very power efficient. Everyone knows the cost of living is going through the roof. It's getting unbearable, unaffordable. So this is very, very efficient on power compared to a lot of its competitors in the market, which is a fantastic thing. You're getting this, but you also know that you're saving some power compared to the competitors and saving some money in the back pocket. The settings are super easy. It doesn't matter if you're on 1 litre, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5 litres per minute. It's super easy to make the setting here in line with what you've been prescribed by your healthcare professional. So it goes 1, 1.5 in 0.5 increments right up to 5 litres per minute. So you can make sure that you have the right setting for your machine and get the most out of your oxygen concentrator. So it's important to note this is a continuous flow machine. So this needs to be plugged into the power the entire time into the wall. So if you're looking for a portable oxygen machine, that's something different. This is a continuous flow machine that needs to be plugged into the power the whole time. But the beauty of that is it delivers up to 5 litres continuous flow of oxygen up to 24 hours a day. So it's fantastic for all prescription types. So the Care Visionaire 5 is a 3-year warranty. It has a 3-year warranty, which is fantastic. You know you're covered for a long period of time for the use of this machine. And any dramas, you contact Rapid Medical Supplies. We handle the warranty for you. It's so easy, but you're not going to have problems with these machines. It's very, very rare. They have one of the best percentages of fault rates in the industry, the Care product. They are fantastic. They have a headquarters in Melbourne, which is great. They've been really, really, really good to us. So with all that being said, it's no wonder why this is one of our best-selling 5-litre continuous flow oxygen machines, the Care Visionaire 5 5-litre oxygen machine.